There is an urgent call from the Press Association of Jamaica, PAJ, for the Police High Command and INDECOM to investigate reports of an unprovoked assault by the police on a media representative. It's understood that on Tuesday, the Gleaner newspaper photographer Rudolph Brown was in the Crossroads area when he witnessed a commotion apparently caused by attempts by the police to arrest a man. He started to use his phone to record the incident, but was told by the police sergeant on location to stop. Mr. Brown says he clearly identified himself as a member of the media, both verbally and by showing his company ID card, which was around his neck. However, as he continued to record the proceedings, he was sprayed directly in the eyes with pepper spray, which caused him hours of severe pain and distress. The Press Association of Jamaica says it condemns unequivocally this blatant abuse of force by the police and calls for an immediate investigation and response by the Police High Command and INDECOM.